2018, I started a licensed cannabis delivery service based in Oakland, California. Within 2 years, I scaled that business into a 7-figure operation. Today, I teach cannabis entrepreneurs, current and prospective, how to start and scale their own cannabis businesses. So if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, please like, share, comment, subscribe. You do not want to miss out. Also, for anything revolving around this cannabis industry, I am your source. Whether that's vendors, collabs, consultations, free resources, hit my email, neocannabis1@gmail.com, and I will get you right. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Like I mentioned, there was a lot of chatter in the comments of a previous video where I had mentioned very briefly that California is number one in my opinion, but a lot of people had their own opinions for their state that they're in. I was hearing like Michigan, Virginia, New York, Florida, Oregon. There's a plethora of states, but in this video I'm going to explain why that is not the case and California is number one and it's not even close. So first of all, genetics, strains. California is notorious for producing and creating the best strains that we have today. Strains like Runts, Purple Punch, Blue Dream, Cookies, Sunset Sherbet, OG Kush, Granddaddy Perp, Gelato. All these different iconic strains were all created in California. So just that point alone, I don't know any other state that has a list of strains, a resume similar to California. Nowadays, all of these candy strains, they're all cut from gelatos. And of course, like strain, 9 times out of 10, it was created in California. When Lemon Cherry Gelato was running the game, when the Gelatos was running the game, the Runts, the Granddaddy Perps, the OG Cushes.
I bet you got a lot of arguments about that in the comments. Hold on, wait a minute, I forgot. We're on YouTube. We can stop and check. Let's see. Shout out to liking the video, commenting, and all that good stuff. Let's see if you got some pushback about that. You got about 1K views. And we got some good. See. This is the good thing about it. Being a review video, we can actually review the comments and other things. He's only got 49 comments, so this won't take long. Right, I'm rolling up anyway, so hopefully you got 1 or 2 twisted. You know how I say, hopefully you got some pre-rolls. I gotta roll mine as I smoke them, because that's how we ride. Hell, it might be 30 blunts today, but hell, we gonna roll and keep it pushing. So let's see, comments. Oklahoma, they said they got some good ones on from Texas. Yeah. Honorable mentions. Jamaican, Afghanistan, Amsterdam, blah, 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 blah. Ultra Facts, he agrees with the California, got some good stuff. I mean, they did support the Chronic, and we do support the Chronic, so. My brother-in-law grew up in the mountains in the Himalayas. Okay, so he grew up in the Himalayan mountains, so that ain't even nowhere near California. Is one, not the only state where land-raised sativas can finish flowering. Yeah, California is built for the land-raised strains. Shouts out to them. They got that advantage because, just the generalized area. Let's see. Cali is king. Yeah. Humboldt. Shouts out to Humboldt, though. They doing ATHING, a.k.a. that thing. Blue Dream. San Diego. Left Cali and brought their genetics. A lot of the Cali growers did leave because, hell, staying in California is crazy. Unless you actually making the money to just stay out there and not care. Cali culture is unmatched. I lived there in 2010 and stayed, and blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, a lot of people most of the comments ain't too far from agreeing, but hell, everybody gonna rep where they from or where they feel better weed is anyway. So, let's keep it going.
All of those were created in California, so just that point alone just shows it's not even close. I don't know any other state or even country, if you want to talk internationally, that has that resume, that list of iconic strains that are so prevalent in our culture today. If anybody has any type of argument
big homie coming through
within the comments, I'll take a look at it, but I do not think it even comes close when you're talking about California.